Claw AI Army is built around a simple idea. Instead of spending time writing prompts and managing multiple AI tools, you assign a task and let specialized AI agents handle the work. According to the company, a single message sent through WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord can trigger a complete workflow that creates marketing assets like landing pages, email sequences, ad copy, and social media content. The live workshop is designed to show a real project being completed from start to finish, so viewers can see how the system works in a practical business scenario rather than watching a traditional slideshow or basic chatbot demonstration. Even with all the AI tools available today, getting work done can still feel surprisingly manual. Most people are juggling multiple apps, repeating the same instructions, writing new prompts, and moving information from one tool to another just to complete a single project. Claw AI Army is designed to simplify that process by turning fragmented AI workflows into a more streamlined system, with the goal of helping users spend less time managing tools and more time getting results. The core idea behind Claw AI Army is to treat AI like a team of workers rather than a tool that needs constant prompting. Instead of managing every step yourself, you assign a task, provide the details, and the system works through the process to create things like landing pages, email campaigns, ad copy, social content, and more. Because everything stays organized within the same project, you can continue refining the work with simple follow-up requests instead of starting over each time. The goal is to spend less time prompting AI and more time delegating actual work. Instead of relying on one AI to do everything, Claw AI Army is built around a team of specialized agents, each designed for a specific job. Whether it's creating content, conducting research, building marketing campaigns, managing e-commerce tasks, handling sales activities, or organizing client work, each agent has a dedicated role. The platform also allows users to create custom agents tailored to their own business, industry, or workflow. The goal is to make AI feel less like a chatbot and more like a team of specialists working together to help get the job done. One of the key selling points of Claw AI Army is that it comes with a large library of built-in skills and workflow agents designed to handle a wide range of business tasks. Instead of starting from a blank chat and figuring everything out yourself, the system is built around predefined workflows for things like content creation, marketing, research, sales, e-commerce, business planning, and productivity. According to the company, the AI can choose the right tools and move information through each step of the workflow automatically, allowing users to focus more on the final outcome rather than managing the entire process themselves. The main difference Claw AI Army is trying to highlight is that traditional AI chat tools typically rely on the user to guide every step of the process. You write the prompts, manage the workflow, and connect everything together yourself. Claw AI Army, on the other hand, is designed around structured roles and repeatable workflows. The idea is to keep projects organized, maintain context across tasks, and guide work from start to finish, so users can focus more on the outcome and less on managing the process. Now let's talk about the pricing and the different upgrades. The main Claw AI Army package starts at $39 as a one-time payment. That gives you the core platform, including the supported channel connections, 259 skills, 82 workflow agents, starter agent packs, project history, and commercial use rights. Then there are several optional upgrades. OTO 1, Claw AI Army Unlimited, is $67. This is designed to remove some of the limits and add things like more agents, more credits, parallel execution, scheduling, team seats, and API access. OTO 2, Claw Visuals, is $77. This focuses on visual creation, including images, ad banners, product visuals, logo concepts, background removal, and other creative features. OTO 3, Claw Voice, is $47. This adds voice and transcription features, including voice notes, voiceovers, subtitles, and support for 70+ languages. OTO 4, Claw Skills Vault, is another $47. This gives you access to premium agent packs, industry blueprints, workflow recipes, and a library of task commands. And finally, there's Agency White Label, ranging from $97 to $397 one time. This is aimed more at agencies that want to build a branded version of the platform with client workspaces, custom branding, domains, and client plans. So the important thing to understand is that the $39 package is the core product. The additional features are spread across these optional upgrades, so you'll want to look at exactly what you need before deciding whether you need the entire funnel. If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.